Hi, banana friend.
Hello.
I don't have a video for this weekend. I don't have a video for this weekend.
Hey, wait a minute.
So I'm gonna introduce one of my friends, Trevor.
What is it about?
You've been to Busan, right?
Yes, I mean, I love Busan. So for the hotels, I believe we stayed in very cheap. I remember we paid only $50 in Haeundae area, so it was really cheap. I was surprised. Decent hotel. It wasn't very luxury, but very clean standard hotel.
Where instead my friend stayed in very fancy hotel. Right now it's winter, so it's a little bit slow season, so it's not that expensive. But when it comes to season, I believe this hotel could go up to expensive rate. I cannot just guarantee which price it's gonna be. So its hotel name is Ananti Busan Hotel. So it's located in Haeundae.
That looks very cool hotel with the swimming pools of the lower floor. I think it's very cool and with view to the ocean.
Right.
Like, next time, I believe we would like to check that out for sure.
For sure. So look at this one. This is like a Christmas tree photo zone, and they decorated pretty good and warm.
Yeah, again, the views I like from the hotel room. Ocean views, yes.
Right? Look at this picture. This is the pool, and it looks
The
like
pool lines up with the ocean. It looks like you're sitting in the ocean, but actually you are in the pool of the hotel.
Right.
What was highlights from hotel your friend was talking about? So, what was highlights from hotel your friend was talking about?
I don't know. I don't know. Do you think how many square feet is this hotel room?
This hotel room, probably I would say 400, 300 maybe.
400 square
300
feet.
maybe?
Yeah, this one look like a queen bed and have enough room to have a table, and they have a table, and they have a patio, and
King size bed look like.
do you think this is king?
Yes,
or-
it is king and look like furniture. Furniture looks pretty decent, better than average hotels in North America.
Right, and I guess the shower gown is as an amenity.
Part of the
Yeah,
yes.
it's good thing about the hotels in Asia. Those amenities are really good.
Yeah, that's what I love. I mean, I remember we didn't visit tram. Did your friend go to that tram tour?
Oh, you mean the Haeundae to? I don't remember where until, but there was like a tram area. I think Haeundae Blue Line tram, something like that.
Yeah, I remember those colorful in the pictures and advertising everywhere. So I really wanted to go, but unfortunately, somehow we couldn't make it because of the time and the schedule. It didn't work. But I wish next time I'm definitely planning to go there.
Yeah. So this is the picture of the Haeundae Mipo tram.
Okay.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the more so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Moonlight, summer sky.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I love the pictures. Definitely, it's worth to go to Busan, guys. Oh,
Right.
and it's cheaper than in Canada.
Yeah, and the last time we stayed in Haeundae, so near the Haeundae beach. So it's only like 5-10 minutes walking from the like to beach area.
Yeah.
I think. And then like that time we didn't have a time to go for tram, but we went to Yongdosan instead. But my friend went to tram, and I don't think she went to Yongdosan this time.